guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing one of my favorite videos to do. I've been trying to do best of Amazon of different categories. So I did best of Amazon home, best of Amazon beauty, and today I'm doing best of Amazon organization. I got so many requests to do this video and I'm so excited because I didn't know how many things were extremely convenient and satisfying in my home for organizing and having everything like have its place until I started to do this video. So everything will be linked down below. You can also check out this tab on my Amazon shop. It sounded like I said stab. No, tab. So you can check out even more organizational products and finds, and so many of those are currently on sale because of Prime Day, so definitely check them out down below. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe if you haven't already. I post a ton of Amazon content, and let's go ahead and jump into it. I don't think I've ever mentioned this on my channel, which is crazy because it's one of my favorite finds. It is this wall mount that comes with hooks, which are extremely convenient, and you can put your Swiffer, your mop, your broom. It is amazing. I just checked and it's on sale for like $13. Highly recommend. A recent find that I am truly obsessed with is definitely this. These are little like honeycomb organizers. You can use this for socks. I use mine for sports bras. You can use it for baby onesies, like anything, even like underwear. It is so great. They are stackable, so you can literally buy a few different ones and adjust them to fit your drawer. I am obsessed with this. My drawer used to be a mess before I got these, and they're only, I believe, $13 for a 2-pack. I'm currently doing laundry, so my drawer is very empty, but I got a huge pack today on super sale on Prime Day of these underwear organizers. It comes with 12, I believe, and I got it for only $25 or $21. I'll put it on the screen. I cannot wait to get that to further organize all my drawers. And then here's another one of those honeycomb organizers that I use for my socks. This acrylic organizer for bags is a game changer. I love how I can easily see all my crossbodies. Comes in different sizes and kind of like shapes. You can definitely use this to divide up jeans, so many different things, but I love this one for bags specifically. It is the perfect size and it looks so cute. This is a recent find. I've never talked about it before. It is a bottle organizer. These actually didn't used to fit in this cabinet, and if they did, they would be like hidden like this. So 2 of them come stacked. You can also unstack them for like $26. It's such a game changer. I'm actually ordering a second one right here so the rest of our cups fit, and I'm getting some for my parents too. It's such a game changer. If you're like me and you have a slight obsession with hair tools, this is the organizer for you. You can either hang it on a cabinet door, or you can mount it to the wall like we did here. It comes with an extra wide slot for a blow dryer. I just don't have one. And then these two, and then this right here. So nice, super inexpensive, and it keeps everything looking nice and clean. Okay, I'm gonna get ahead of the comments here and just say I admit this is completely unnecessary, but this is just so satisfying to me that as soon as I saw it on TikTok, I had to grab it. So this is an organizer for the Dyson Airwrap. It's literally just made for this. It has slots for all the attachments. I have the volume, not the complete set, so that's why there's 2 missing. And then it has the slot to put the actual machine. And they thought of everything, even for the plug. I'm obsessed with this. So I mounted it to the wall. At first I was like, this is so stupid, but it's such a nice way to keep everything nice and organized. And y'all, this thing is so expensive that paying like 50 bucks more for an organizer is insane. But if you're like me and you like having things nicely displayed and organized, this is a game changer for me. I'm sorry. My pantry, I have a couple of things. I have this 3-tiered, this is technically a spice rack, but I love how you can see all the condiments and things we have in the pantry. That way we don't overbuy if we already have some. And it's great, easy to find, easy to grab. So this one you can get in a 1-pack or in a 2-pack for super cheap. They're currently on sale. Another thing that I love is these food containers. I got really big sizes for like less than 20 bucks. You get all of these, and I love how easy it is to scoop out, especially for baking. I have the flour and sugar. They're huge and very aesthetically pleasing. They come with the chalk labels, a little chalk pen, and they also come with some measuring spoons or cups. It's great. So I highly recommend these. They also come in different shapes and sizes too. This is such a game changer. I'm pretty sure it was one of the best sellers either last year or the year before of the entire year. It is a garbage bag dispenser. If you know, you know. I mean, my mom used to have literally like millions of bags stuffed in other bags. I got one for my parents. It's like $14. We love ours so much. I'm sorry it's a little dark in here, but these are amazing for organizing pots and pans and also like bakeware. I got some for my parents as well, and they're great. You can also like stack them up vertically or horizontally, and I really like how they're like wider so they fit. You can also get adjustable ones if you have like thicker and thinner like pots and pans. But for example, like this one keeps falling over. I don't know if you can see. So it would be great to get the adjustable one rather than this one, but this one is super inexpensive. I talked about this recently, and it has different purposes. I personally use it for my dog's food. It's a perfect food dispenser for them, and I like how it just keeps everything nice and concealed. You can also obviously use this for cereal or other things. I've seen people use it for rice, laundry detergent. It's just so nice to have this little thing. It perfectly dispenses it every single time, and it comes in different colors and different sizes. You can get one that has 3, 4, just 1, or this one that has 2, and it comes in different colors like I said. Could have definitely cleaned this to show you, but my favorite part about this sunglass organizer is that it keeps all this dust away from my sunglasses. So this is a leather sunglass case. It fits, I believe, 8, but I sometimes stack them up. This is really nice and soft so it doesn't scratch them. It is truly incredible. So you can get this one, or you can get one that's like double and it has like a little drawer so you can get more slots. I love this. I highly recommend it for years, and I just love how it really keeps my sunglasses super nice and clean, and it's super nice and sleek. I had to mention this because it's one of my all-time favorite finds off Amazon. It is this jewelry box that's actually a mirror, so you can either mount it or you can hang it over the door. Right now it's on sale for like $100, and look how much jewelry it fits. So it has a spot for your earrings, your bracelets, tons of necklace spots, some hidden spots, and this actually locks, by the way. Comes with a key. Just so much storage. I like how everything is nice and concealed. I need to change out the batteries, but this has a really nice light over here as well. It's just amazing. I love this so much. So my baby's nursery is not finished at all, so I'm currently still putting things away. I still have 8 weeks, so we have time. But I did grab these recently. These are some drawer dividers that I thought would be perfect. They are adjustable and currently on super sale because of Prime Day. So I picked up 1 pack, which comes with 4 different ones. Let me see if I can show you in here. So yeah, I just wanted to use it to divide up some stuff. Like I said, the setup is not really super organized right now, but that's kind of like an idea of how I'm gonna use them. This would also be great if you put your clothes in drawers, like in a dresser, to help you divide up stuff, but I don't. I love these clear little organizers for drawers. We have like our junk drawer over there, and I used a ton of those there, but also here just to organize some cutlery, like some measuring spoons, things like that. This is bothering me. It's a great way just to organize your desk. So many different things, even makeup I use it for sometimes. The pack that I got comes with like 20, and they're all different like shapes and sizes. Amazon has so many like silverware organizers. This is the one I have, but the one I want is this one on the screen. It's like a bamboo like silverware organizer, and you can really adjust so many different sizes. So I like currently ordered it, but once it gets here I'll definitely do a little review. And here's another one of those clear organizers that I told y'all I love. I don't know if this technically falls under like home organization, but I had to mention my 2 favorite laundry basket finds off Amazon. This one I got recently. I love it so much because it fits perfectly in this corner. It is very, very cute and good quality, and we use it mostly for like dirty towels and like washcloths and things like that, but I love it. It would be super cute in a bathroom as well. And then the other one I've had for years, probably since like early 2019, it is this one. It has wheels, it has detachable like little compartments so you can easily separate your clothes. It comes in different colors. It is probably the best quality like hamper I've ever found, and you can also get one that has 4 slots and also like just 2 slots, and it varies in price, but it's also around like the $30 range, and I love this thing. I also mentioned this recently. This is a little tea bag organizer. I like it because they are little drawers and it fits so many in each of them, and it's only $9. The quality is not the best and it's not super like aesthetically pleasing. I have been eyeing a different one that's actually acrylic. I'll put it on the screen. I might buy that one and give this one to my mom instead, but for only $9, this is a great option. One of my all-time favorite things is these palette organizers for my makeup. So I have some for eyeshadow palettes, and I also have one for my blushes and bronzers. They're just great. They come in a 2-pack for like $9 and they're currently on sale. Here we have the famous rotating makeup organizer. This was such a huge bestseller of all 2020, and it's currently on super sale for $25 because of Prime Day, but usually it's still super inexpensive, and I just love how I can easily find all my skincare. You can also use this for makeup and a bunch of different things, and these little things are adjustable so you can adjust them depending on the height of the product. So while this organizer is super cool because it is stackable, it fits so many different things, I no longer use it. I don't want to get rid of it because I do love it, and eventually once I have my like built-in vanity, I can easily just put my makeup on top instead of like in the Alex drawers that I have it right now. So I do love it, and if you have like counter space for your makeup, I highly recommend it. Keeps everything from getting like powdery and dirty, and it has just so many like slots for storage. So I do love it. I am just currently not using it. Okay, I should have definitely cleaned this. I know I say that every single time. I'm getting rid of this one after over a year, and I'm getting a new one, and I'll put it on the screen. It just looks so much better and cleaner, and I got it on super sale because of Prime Day, like on a limited time deal for $14. So this is a toothbrush dispenser, well, toothpaste dispenser, toothbrush holder. You can put like 4 of them right there, and it also comes with cups for like mouthwash. The one I got has like storage, so it's a little better and a better like looking product, but this one served us great, and it was like $20. My closet is currently under construction. I don't know if y'all can see the lack of flooring over there, so I can't technically pull this out, which I'm so sorry about, but this is a shoe rack that I got a very long time ago. It's so good. It was super easy to put together. I did it all by myself, and it fits so many shoes. I believe it fits 50, and I like how it's taller and slimmer than other shoe organizers, so I usually keep this full. But like I said, right now my closet is a little bit under construction, but this is like $40. Highly recommend, especially for tighter spaces and like smaller closets, because it's so slim. So that's everything for today's video. Definitely let me know what category you want me to do next. I'm thinking of either doing Amazon Best of Beauty Part 2, or I can do Amazon Best like kitchen products, but definitely let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. If you enjoy these, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Amazon videos, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.